Mind the Product is just this great environment, regardless of industry, we're amongst our peers in that we're all product professionals. It's not just them learning from me, they're also learning from each other. And that, I think everyone walks out of here, regardless of where they're at in their product level, they walk out a better product managers than they walked in.
I think what's really unique about the workshop environment is the people in the room. The more engaged everyone is talking about their own experiences, their own viewpoints about the content that we're presenting, the more everyone can really internalize the information and make use of it and understand how to apply it in their distinct setting. Nobody wants to feel alone in their job, and I think the community aspect of MTP is really what it offers. So you feel supported through the process of learning.
As a new product manager, I find it quite useful to see the best practices because you get the books, you get the readings and the materials are fine online, but actually talking to other product managers and just getting feedback directly from someone who's had experience is actually quite useful.
It's been pretty amazing, just getting back to basics, focusing on some design thinking, hoping to take it all back to South Africa with me. So.
The contents are very nice, very nice, very well organized, very crystal clear. The presenter is really good, a lot of information. Yeah, so I'm liking it.
One of the big benefits of these workshops is that not only is a one-way communication with me as an instructor, but the relationship with the community you bring, and everybody gets to know each other, and everybody gets to share experiences, and we build a connected community that can help each other out as we move forward when we go back to the office on Monday.